The unboxing experience of the MSS315MA immediately reflects the new direction of smart home hardware. Meross positions this plug clearly as a Matter-certified device, emphasizing that it is built for the next era of universal compatibility rather than a single-brand ecosystem. Inside the box, everything is straightforward and minimal, which is exactly what you want from a product meant to disappear into daily use. The plug itself feels compact and modern, accompanied by the documentation and, most importantly, the Matter commissioning QR code. That small printed code is the key to the entire experience, because Matter's promise begins with setup that is finally simple enough to feel natural. The product is presented as an appliance-grade smart accessory that is meant to be installed quickly and trusted immediately. MSS315MA is designed in a clean, neutral body that blends naturally into almost any environment. Whether it is placed behind a television unit, next to a coffee machine, or in a home office corner powering chargers and peripherals, it looks like a modern appliance rather than a tech experiment. The build quality feels solid and dependable, with a reassuring weight that reflects the internal metering hardware. It does not feel disposable or overly lightweight. Instead, it feels like a product designed for constant, everyday operation, which is important for something that will remain plugged in year-round. The integrated control button and subtle LED indicator provide immediate manual interaction when needed, which remains valuable even in a voice-first household.